ki tylli ki Regional Committee jong ka jylla Meghalaya-Assam mynta kasi kila Sdang jingïakynduh lang ha Regional Committee meeting ban Sdang no jingïakren Pynbeit Pud ki tylli ki jaka ki badan hak hapot ka Ri-Bhoi District bat Assam haka jingïa lang ka balalong ha Assam State Guest House koinadhara Khanapara ki Committee Pynbeit Pud na ka jylla Meghalaya lakhli du ba press don tensong sembut menteri rangba ka jylla kum chairman ka Ri-Bhoi Regional Committee haka jing dan lang ki MLA ka Ri-Bhoi na du uba Sostene Sotun, MLA Jirang, Charles Marngar MLA Mawhati, Damanbait Lamare MLA Umroi, ba Pynïaid Sing Syiem CEM ka KHADC, balong rukum udukat ka Regional Committee, Arpit Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District, bat kiweki officer. Katbaya ka Regional Committee jong ka Assam, lakli du Atul Borah, bat Chandra Mohan Patowary, ki menteri sarkar haka jing don lang ki officer. Nakaliang ki committee kila rai ru banyak ren Shwa ka Desh Domreah Nongwah Mawtamur bat Borduar katbaya ka block 2 kinsa Iakren kham hadin bat ki committee kinsa syong jingya lang biang haka arpusan tarik unailar ban beteng ka jingïakren bat ban let jurep ru ka Desh Domreah haka arpun riu tarik unailar ban tip ka jinglong jingman jong ki jaka.
In the joint meeting of the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, it was resolved that regional committee will jointly visit to the border area and study the ground reality and suggest measures to resolve the issues. Accordingly, we have discussed on disputed three areas, and we had a very good meeting, and we have decided to sit on 25th of August again. And before that, both DCs will visit the concerned areas, and they will do homework. After that, on 25th we will sit again, and on 26th we'll visit not all the areas because it would be difficult to cover all the areas. We'll visit Desh Domreah site, and today the DCs, Deputy Commissioners, they gave PowerPoint presentation, and Deputy Commissioners from our side, both the Deputy Commissioner Metro and Rail were present, along with the Chairman of the Regional Committee, who is heading the Regional Committee of Boku side, Mr. Chandra Mohan Patowary, Honorable Minister. He was present, and Nandita Das MLA, who is member of the Regional Committee, she were present, and from Meghalaya side, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, he is heading both the committees, both the regional committees, and some other members, MLAs and other members, officials.
Tingi sim ya kai ka bahatam namar ko mo pi ni hapan su thu di jisya ladagi sim ya karai ngong pi ngin namla ban ngim namla ban resolve ya kan issue ka ba ko mo pi ka ban nakawi ka stem kanang mi kanang snew te nakakada ko mo pi nila ai kin instruction ru lamba ka discouncil ha ka ba UCM jo ka discouncil UEM milaka u balong deputy CM ba presnganu ke don lang hangne ke wan lang te long nging ai kin nakaliang jong sulu bahkan pentip lepa ya kitu ki area kitu jaka lengba jong kia discouncil bakin pentip yang girang ba snong ya kisim dan ki sodar bakiru kin le laka jongka benta ka joki pengnoban ban penting ba aning lalej mangi ya kataka inspection ka joint inspection ga mengis le na makan ya bayan ti ka kap ka